current ratio is barely above 1, and our P ratio 4 worse. How are we supposed to manage our short-term obligations?
You are right, sir. The liquidity position is concerning. The group's quick ratio of 0.39 means you are heavily reliant on inventory to meet liabilities. We need a strategy to free up cash and reduce dependency on inventory.
What about our receivable? I've noticed cash flow issue worsening lately.
That's another red flag. The group's average collection period is 110 days and the company is over 2,300 days. Delayed receivables are tying up a significant amount of capital. We need to revisit credit policies and improve collection practice.
We need a solution fast. Investors are already asking questions about our performance.
I'm concerned about the group debt situation with a debt ratio of 81% and a debt ratio to equity of 4.27%. The company is highly leveraged. How do you plan to reduce this financial risk?
Of the leverage challenge, our short-term focus in optimizing operation and improving profitability. We are also exploring options to restructure some of our debt to improve cash flow.
I see the time interest ratio is negative for the group. That's a serious issue. How do you plan to ensure that operating profit can at least cover interest expenses? Sorry sir, we acknowledge the negative operating performance. Our immediate plan is to reduce the non-essential expenses and focus on improving operational efficiency. In the long term, we aim to boost revenue by investing in key growth areas. And what about asset utilization? A total asset turnover of 0.24 is quite low, and the fixed asset turnover is only 0.58. You are not fully utilizing your resources.
We are reviewing underperforming assets and looking for ways to maximize their productivity. Additionally, we are considering asset sale for areas that don't align with our strategic goals.
Alright, I see. Okay, so, but what's about profitability? A net profit margin of negative 67% is alarming and the return on equity is deeply negative. How do you intend to turn this around? The company has already identified the key inefficiencies contributing to the losses. We are improving receivable management, cutting costs, and reducing low-margin product or service. Over time, we are confident this step will stabilize profitability.
That was tough, but the investors' question we are fair. We need to show results soon, or we risk losing their confidence.
I agree. The first step is addressing liquidity. I suggest negotiating extended payment terms with supplier and offering early payment discount to customer to speed up a receivable.
Oh, that makes sense. What about the debt? Should we prioritize refinancing?
Yes, but occasionally refinancing can reduce immediate pressure. But we must avoid adding a long-term burden. It's equally important to focus on improving operation and generating cash flow.
About profitability, we can't keep running at a loss.
Profitability will come from efficiency. we need to cut unnecessary expenses, reallocate resources, and focus on high-margin product or service. Additionally, we should explore new revenue streams like partnership or expanding into untapped market.
Let's go start. I got a meeting with the senior management team tomorrow to map off the system. We have identified areas that need immediate action: liquidity, asset management, debt reduction, and profitability. The financial advisor will walk us through the proposal action plan.
To address liquidity, we will renegotiate supplier terms, improve receivable collection, and carefully manage inventory levels. For asset management, we will evaluate underperforming assets and streamline operations. On that, we will explore refinancing options while prioritizing cost control. Finally, for profitability, we will cut non-essential expenses and focus on high-margin products.
I need all departments signed with the plan. Let's work together to turn this situation around. Oh, I really oh.
Okay, I review your recent reports. I see some improvement in liquidity and receivable collection. Are you confident this momentum will continue?
We have implemented structured credit policies and improved our collection process. We have also taken steps to reduce operation efficiencies, which are already showing results.
Okay, good to hear. I will continue monitoring your progress. I trust you will deliver on the plans you have outlined.
It's still early, but I feel optimistic. We have started addressing the key issue, and the investor seems more confident.
There's still a lot to do, but with the right focus, I believe we can achieve sustainable growth.
Good, Ikmasha, let's keep the momentum going.
Master Produções, produzindo sucessos em alta qualidade.